So this is a website my daughter uses for, okay, so it read the prompt to her, but it's kind of choppy. I don't know if it is because of our internet kind of keeps going out or if it's just with this screencast-o-matic. Um, but I do believe this will work for her. This is her, it's called No Red Ink, and instead of me having to read the prompt to her, it will do it for her. The prompt is one thing. Let's see. Write about your favorite type of music or favorite song. And I can't get it to stop blinking, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop. I highlighted it without using the camera to see if it will do better when I'm not recording. Let's try it. I wanted to read the most important part. It is recording, but it's having a hard time running at the same time the screencast is. So, but I'm excited to have this downloaded for her. We'll practice. We'll check it out tomorrow and see if it runs better without the screencast running at the same time.